In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Phantom wallet, ensuring your digital assets remain protected. Let's dive right in, shall we? To get started, you'll want to open the Phantom app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will give you access to all the settings we need to adjust for maximum security. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on your home page. Here, you can see your balance and tokens, giving you a quick snapshot of your assets. Now, focus your attention on your profile. You're going to want to click on it. This is your gateway to accessing the settings menu. Once inside, you'll see several options, but what we're interested in today is settings. Once you click on that, you'll see another menu pop up, and from here, you should click on security and privacy. This is where the magic happens, because it's all about enhancing the security of your Phantom wallet. Within this section, you have a few options. You can change your password, which is always a good idea if you suspect any security breaches or simply want to update to a stronger passphrase. You also have the option to reset your PIN, providing another layer of security when accessing your account. Consider these options carefully as they play key roles in maintaining a secure environment for your digital wallet. Moving along, an important feature here is the auto lock. This will secure your wallet automatically after a period of inactivity, which means if you ever forget to manually lock it, your details and assets remain protected. Another option you'll notice is the ability to download app logs. This feature is useful for those who want to keep an eye on their account activities, ensuring everything is as expected. However, the most crucial aspect of securing your Phantom wallet is your recovery phrase. It's essentially your lifeline to your account. Go ahead and click on it. B-A-C-E-A-T-E-E-D, and then it will prompt you to enter your password. Remember, this recovery phrase is something only you should know. It is imperative for retrieving your account in case you forget your login details or face any